Hi, I'm Guy Cook. This is the first day effort with Adobe Express, which is free, with LinuxMint, which is also free. So included in the Adobe account that I got, because you sign up to have an Adobe account, right? I got a message that I needed to try Adobe Express because it was included with my account. And I said, well, gosh, I better go kick the tires. And to make it somewhat of a challenge for the AI, I just put in the prompt, the Guy R. Cook report. And if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, you'll see the Google document in there. And I pasted that image into there, and I have to say, I'm more than a little impressed. Fact of the matter is, every other AI text to image that I've tried with that same prompt, the Guy R. Cook report, I don't get text back that's readable. It just comes out as gobbledygook. This is the Guy R. Cook Report podcast, insights and discussions on technology and business. I think they did a good job writing that up. I think you're going to like what you see when you go check that out. I've got the link right below there on pre-designed photo and video tool from Adobe Express. Oh, hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.